Hello, today we're going to talk about area of regular polygons. This will be part one in the video series. Alright, so let's go through a couple basic things with our regular polygon. We know that all our sides are equal. So the first thing we'll need to do for a area is we got to find the perimeter. Perimeter of a regular polygon is the number of sides times how long the side is. So let's say this is 4 inches. Okay, we'll say this has 6 sides times 4 inches. The perimeter is 24 inches. Okay, now here's our next part. This is where it gets a little tricky. All right, we're going to have to drop our apothem down here. Remember our apothem or apothem, whatever you want to call it, comes down and cuts it in the middle. That's going to be 2 inches right here in the bottom of this triangle. All right, I'm going to finish this triangle off. So I got a little right triangle here. All right, come off over on the side. Draw this right triangle. Now we know that all the angles in a hexagon, they all add up to 720 degrees. We used our sum formula. And then if they all add up to 720 degrees, then that means each one is going to be 120 degrees. Okay, I just took 720 divided by 6. Each one's going to be 120. So if this angle down here is 120, then this part here is 60 degrees. So we come over here, 60 degrees. This is 2. All right, so in order to find the regular polygon area, we need to find how long the apothem is here. Okay, so this is a special right triangle. And we know in a special right triangle that the side opposite the 30 is the shortest side. The hypotenuse is twice as long. Okay, we can then do Pythagorean theorem. 2 squared plus x squared is equal to 4 squared. All right, 4 plus x squared equals 16. X squared equals 12. X equals 2 root 3. Okay, that side there is 2 root 3. So I'm just going to move it over here. All right, so here's our area formula. Perimeter. Area equals 1/2 2 root 3 times the perimeter, which was 24. So the area, 24 root 3. Remember, we multiply the outside numbers. 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1 times 24. 24 root 3 inches squared. Okay? Problem 2. All right. Let's pick a number here. Maybe we'll start a little different. Maybe we'll start with this guy. And we'll say that this is 12 centimeters. All right, so let's do the first thing. Find the perimeter. This is a pentagon. Biggest mistake people make is they use the wrong number of sides. So there's 5 sides. Each side is 12. Perimeter is 60 centimeters. Okay. Area equals 1/2 apothem times the perimeter. 1/2. Okay, so what do we need? We need the apothem. All right, the apothem. So we're going to drop this down here. Now, what do all the angles inside of a pentagon add up to? They add up to 540 degrees. Makes each one 108. So this is 108 degrees. So when I drop this line down here, what's that make this angle? Half of the 108, which is going to be 54 degrees. Okay, so let's come on over here. So we got 54 degrees. This is going to be 6 centimeters. And we got to find this. So, do you know any formulas to find this side here? Now we can't do the Pythagorean theorem because this is not a special right triangle. So we're going to use trigonometry. So which side is opposite 54 degrees? That would be this one. Which side is a hypotenuse? That would be this side. Other side is going to be the adjacent. So we're using the opposite and adjacent. Okay, so we're going to use the tangent formula. Opposite over adjacent. We learned the tangent formula previously. So we're going to do tangent 54 degrees. If you're using a calculator, make sure that your calculator mode is on degrees, not radians. Tangent of 54, if you're using a chart, just come down the chart. Tangent of 54 is 1.3764 equals x over 6. Drop this line under here. Remember, tangent of 54 we use to 4 decimal places. Then we cross multiply. Okay, 1x equals 6 times this. So we're going to get x is equal to 8.2582. So now we can round this up to like tens or hundreds. I don't know. X equals 8.26. So this right here, 8.26. Potham, 8.26. Okay. Put this right in your calculator. 1/2 8.26 times 60 is going to be 247.8 centimeters squared. Okay, I fully expect decimals in these. Okay, do not expect whole numbers. All right, let's try one more problem. All right, so let's try this hexagon here. All right, let's say that this is 8 feet. All right, you know this is 120. You know when you drop this down, you come over here, that's going to be 60 degrees. And this is 4. All right. Many of these work out the same way, you know. 60 degrees, this is 4. I need to find this guy here. You forget the special right triangles. All right, so what you decide to do is you decide to just say, hey, let me use trig right off the bat, okay? I'm just finding my perimeter at the same time. 48 feet. All right, so I'm going to say which side is opposite 60 degrees? AB. Which side is opposite angle C? AB. Which side is the hypotenuse? AC. Remaining side is going to be the adjacent. Again, tangent of theta, opposite over adjacent. Tangent of 60 degrees is equal to the opposite, which is x over 4. Look on your tangent column. Use your calculator. Make sure it's on degrees. We bring that to 4 places. Okay, we drop a line under here. We do a proportion. X is equal to 6.9284. So x is about 6.93. So this is about 6.93. Okay, so go do our area formula. So it's important, you have to find the apothem and you have to find the perimeter. Once you have those, okay, it's pretty easy to do. 32 feet squared. So 166.32 feet squared. Hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you on the next video.